Hey, what's up everybody? I didn't see you there. Hey, I'm gonna go pour some concrete. You guys wanna come along? Thinking we got a storage unit that we're gonna go pour a few thousand square feet, like a lot of thousand square feet. We're actually gonna be using a truss screed. Ain't ever used one of those things before, so it should be a pretty sweet pour day. So come along with us on another concrete adventure. All right, we're on the job site at 4:49 a.m. and it is 71 degrees outside. All right, we got our lights on now, getting some daylight. Here's the slab we're gonna be pouring right here. Boom, thousands of square feet. And then here's our truss screed we're gonna be using. Right here, it stretches all the way across the slab. Get that mud raked. We are putting that mud down. Good job, Mike. I like it when that slump's loose like this, man. Makes it easy to rake. Some of them trucks, we've been having some pretty tight slumps on there.
I think the first pour was pretty good, and then after that it started to get more stiff.
Yeah, it got pretty stiff. Yeah, a lot of pulling. Somebody's got to do it. Yeah, as long as you give it back to me.
Yeah.
Okay.
You need them,
No, I got another one. Yep. It's coming around these edges, pulling stakes and getting them laid down. Definitely ready. Just kind of got a lot of top cream now. Gonna be coming back around with that burn trial next. Definitely. Well, what do you guys all think about that truss screed? That thing was pretty sweet, huh? Lots of raking involved, but man, sure put down the mud quick. We had 150 yards down by like 9 o'clock, before 9. So from 5:30 to 9, we laid down 150 yards, 10,200 square feet. Boy, let me tell you what, I can trowel for miles and miles. I can trowel for miles and miles. You know what I'm saying? Like, woo! Scrub a dub dub. Million miles of freaking edges to hit. Oh. Woo! I'll be that guy flicking the water. Trade him jobs, huh? My arms are getting tired, fellas. Yeah, boy.
Everybody needs rod bod.
Got to need that rod bod. All right, ready? 3. Why? Hey, why? Yeah, go to your left more.
There you go.
Okay, go that way a little bit more, towards the handle. There you go. I feel okay. Now I feel like I got a lot of weight.
Almost got that. Wrong way. Almost got that. Almost got. That's how you build tennis. Oh well, ribbon. That's how you build character.
Woo!
You are the best.
That's what I'm talking about. Now I'm gonna pass out. Shit.
Go.
My turn on the power trowel. Synchronized troweling. Which way are you gonna go? Concrete action today, huh, boys? Yeah. Rider power trowel, walk behind, truss screeds. Kind of one of them boss 'em up days. All right, we're to that point where we're starting to put our saw cuts in there. The ride-on trial. It's just about got her all burnt in. We're there. Two. Get these saw cuts done. Just got me a new blade put on. Well, holy crap, my friends. That was a hell of a day, right? Man, you guys were there. We poured like 10,200 square feet. It was like 150 yards. We used a truss screed, riding trials. Like we had 3 walk behinds on there at the same time. And everything kind of took off all at once, and we did all right. Everything was good, and we stayed behind, put saw cuts in it, and also put some curing seal on it. So needless to say, I am a very tired man. We worked about 11 hours. I was there from 5 a.m. till right about 4 p.m. So like I said, it was a heck of a day. So anyways, I really hope you guys like this video, and if you do, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one.